Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to customize the Pointwise interface. First, let's start with the window itself. You can see that it's actually divided up into three sections. Over on the left is the panel. Towards the bottom is the messages window. And of course, most of the screen is taken up here with the display window. This is where the modeling takes place. If you look at the panel over here on the left, it can actually be resized. You just click the mouse on the right side of it. You can drag it to the left or drag it to the right. The same can be done with the messages window down here at the bottom. You just click on the top. You can increase it or decrease it. If you don't like the placement of these, that can be changed too. For example, if you want to move this panel, you go to the title bar, you click on it, and you drag it away from the wall. There you go. Now, theoretically, we could leave it right here in the middle. That would be very impractical. You don't want to do that. You could drag it over to the right side if you like. And the way you do this is you move it about halfway off and you'll see the opportunity, there you go, the opportunity to dock it comes up. All right. So I'm not going to leave it over here. I like it on the left side, so I'm going to drag it over to the left side. And similarly, about halfway off until the docking opportunity, there you go. You can also customize the toolbars in Pointwise. Each toolbar has basically a collection of icons on it, and you can move it as a ribbon. So click the mouse on the left and drag it. Now, if you'd like, you can move it all the way over to the right. And again, you move it over until it goes off the screen a little bit, and then you can dock it there. If you don't like it there, you can move it to the top. But I like to keep it over here. There are all kinds of ways to customize the Pointwise interface. Kind of a fun thing to customize is the coloring. Notice that in the display window, it starts out, it's kind of a dark blue at the top, and it has a gradient to black towards the bottom. If you don't like those colors or you don't like the gradient, you can adjust that. Go up to the Edit menu, scroll all the way to the bottom, select Preferences, and you'll see lots of frames. Now, if these are not expanded, go ahead and check the one that says Background. And here are two color options. Now, notice that it's going to blend from black to blue. You can pick a crazy color if you'd like. You can go with something like super bright red. Push OK. Ah, look at that. Now, the gradient tells how it goes from top to bottom, and there's a little slider bar. So this is all red, this is all blue, but you can go somewhere in between. Now, if you don't like this and you want to return it to how it was, you just push the reset button. If at any time you've changed any of the other defaults and you want to put those back to where they were, you just push the reset defaults button here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.